This week on Ruthless News, vaping in the military. Daily smokers among all the branches in the military have now plummeted to 7.4%. That's an even lower percentage than that of the civilian population. What is the reason for the sharp decline? Well, e-cigarettes. There are about 11.1% active vapers in the military today, contrasting the drop in smokers. Between 2005 and 2015, vaping in the military has increased by 5 times. Historically, smoking has been prevalent in the military, going as high as 24% of the servicemen and women being active smokers. This time frame coincides with a rise in popularity in electronic cigarettes, so I guess you can say that the e-cigs had something to do with the decline in smoking. This is great news, not only for those in the military, but for overall smokers in general. Those in the vaping community have already known that this can be used as an effective tool for quitting, and this is just further proof that can hopefully change the opinions of those who want to take it away. But we want to know, what are your thoughts on this revelation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Take care.